Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my lash cleansers, and yeah, so I usually just buy my foam pumps, and what I use to do my cleanser is Prolong. So this is by J Brand Beauty. So it's meant for better retention, it's pH balanced, it's vegan, not tested on animals, like all that good stuff. So I always keep this packaging where my clients can see it. That way, if they want to, they can like read the back. And yeah, so it's just, I always like to just keep it handy. I currently am working on getting the ingredients on the bottle, but until then, I just keep the box. So normally what I'll do first, I will go and label all of my bottles. And they just look like that. So you take them out, and I always make sure it aligns with the foam pump. And there you go. You guys have a bottle. So eventually it will have like the ingredients on the back too, but for now, just like this. Okay, so now that I'm done putting my stickers on the bottles, all I'm gonna do is unscrew all of them. Now I take this. I'm gonna use the rest of my other one first. And what you want to do is get about, I usually stop around here, just to make it, or at least to try to make it as soapy, because sometimes if you don't put enough, it'll just be more water and it doesn't foam up all the way, and obviously that's not good. And you do want to use distilled water. So you can honestly find these anywhere, the grocery store, they're like everywhere. And from there you just fill the bottles up. I fill them up to like about here, because you do have to remember that this is gonna go in, so if it's too much water, it'll overflow. Now that I just fill them up, I'm just going to screw the tops on, and then you do just want to give it a good shake. And yeah, that's how you end up with your own cleanser. There you guys go. This is how I make my cleansers. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next.